morning and welcome to South Bay, LA. Today is our favorite weekend of the year. We get to celebrate the Sandpipers Women's Club in the South Bay has a holiday home tour every year where 5 architecturally significant homes are decorated for the holidays. And
we're going to do it in style on a party bus with our friends, our clients. So come join us.
cheers!
Cheers, everyone!
Cheers! The first of the 5 homes this morning we're going to is a historic home. It is the oldest home in Hermosa Beach. And we're going to have a little more champagne and some croissants for breakfast on our way there.
We're going to have a great time. You guys are going to love it today. 5 homes on the tour and the market center where we get to spend some money. It's all for charity. Remember, it's all for charity, Sandpipers.
Sandpipers is almost a 100-year-old organization, and Jennifer is a lifetime member. She's not been a member for 100 years. But she was a member long enough that they award her the lifetime membership, and she'll fill us in on their philanthropic. They have 4 major fundraisers a year, and this is the Holiday Home Tour, which is my personal favorite.
Our favorite, and so much fun.
And
so
thank you guys. Thank you all.
Here we are at the first of 5 homes for the Sandpipers Holiday Homes Tour. It's so exciting. You know, families open up their homes every year to us. They leave for a week. We come in as Sandpipers and we decorate it and we get it all ready for everybody to come and see it. And then we, as the community, gets to walk through it. And all the donations go to nonprofit organizations in the South Bay.
The Sandpipers do so much great philanthropic work in the South Bay. It's the women's organization here. They have a lot of different charities that they work with and the 4 major fundraisers. And as we said, this is our favorite weekend of the year, the Holiday Home Tour. And all of the local design shops and interior designers help decorate all of the homes for the different themes of the holiday. So here we are at another stop on the Sandpiper Holiday Home Tour. The Sandpipers is a women's organization in the South Bay that are philanthropic fundraisers for a lot of other people and charities in our communities. And these citizens, residents of the neighborhoods that have architecturally significant homes, open them up for us on the holidays. And they're decorated by local designers and builders for the different themes of the holiday. Jennifer, do you want to tell us about this house?
Yes, this one is in Manhattan Beach, right on the Sand. 4 stories. We call it the Castle Home. Up here, all the way down to the Sand. Homes on the Sandpiper Holiday Home Tour are homes you would never get to see unless you join us.
Well, let's go look at this one.
Let's go see this one.
Here we are on our final stop on the Sandpiper Holiday Home Tour at the Christmas Boutique. You want to explain this to us, Jennifer, what's going on here?
I do. We have lots of vendors here today and we want to go shopping, but more importantly, Sandpipers is a 100% volunteer organization. All of the money we raise goes to the communities. And one of my favorite programs is the scholarship program. We follow our scholarship recipients for all 4 years.
That's
25% of the proceeds today are going to go back to Sandpipers to help fund these programs.
Thank you for joining us today, and come next year. This event happens on the first weekend of December every year. So come join us and let's go shopping. Bye, you guys.